guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today for you all, I have a Louis Vuitton reveal. So if you are new here, I do videos on starting my luxury collection as well as Amazon and fashion try-on hauls and a little bit of lifestyle. So if you like any or all of that, definitely subscribe to my channel, join my tribe. I would love to have you. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if you've been keeping up, then you know that recently I have sold some of my Louis Vuitton items. I have basically been making room for some things that I really want. This item that I'm revealing has been on my luxury wish list. I'm excited to finally cross it off, and it is the Louis Vuitton medium agenda in the damier bin print. So I think this is also called the agenda MM. But anyways, you have the really small one, you have the desk agenda, and then this one is in the middle. All right, so according to the Louis Vuitton website, this is officially called the Louis Vuitton medium ring agenda cover in the damier bin, and it retails for $605 plus tax. So I purchased this from the LV Addicted Facebook group. Actually, the last time I checked, the Facebook group has been taken down, but it goes down, comes up, goes down, comes up. So I would just keep checking back. But I got this for $315. I know there have been a lot of YouTubers that have recently come out with like why they don't buy pre-loved, but I'm a huge advocate for pre-loved because guess what? Once you purchase something, it is pre-loved, even if you've only had it for one day. So yes, I think that buying pre-loved is just a great way to get the same thing with little to no wear for a huge discount. So I paid basically half for this. And talking about the wear, it's got very minimal wear. I inspected the glazing. There's absolutely nothing wrong with the glazing. I don't know how well you can see, but the sides do kind of lift up a little bit, but that's honestly going to happen anyways. Like there's no way to prevent that, so that does not bother me. And yeah, the inside is in pristine condition. It's not hot stamped or anything. It did come with a few inserts. And yeah, there's just, I mean, in the inside, I don't see anywhere. So very pleased with this purchase. All right, so this agenda does snap open and shut. It has a brass button. And then when you open it up, the opening cover does have slots for cards. It has 6 card slots, and then it's got this little like pouch down here. So I did grab, this is kind of what I'm using as like my catch-all right now from purse to purse. So I wanted to take some of the cards out and just show you how those fit in here. Probably wouldn't keep cash in here, but you could. And yeah, so everything that fit in this little Kate Spade card holder is now in here. So I put a bunch of cards right there, and then also I put some cash in this little slot here at the bottom. So for example, if you're traveling, you could definitely use this as a wallet. Now it does have the 6 rings on it, and then on the back cover, it's got this, I think this is called a secretary pouch, pocket secretariat, something. This little slot. So I want to say I can put my passport there, so I'm going to grab my other bag that has my passport in it. So basically I just took the back cover and slid it into that pouch, and voila, you have yourself a passport cover. So it being able to hold cards and being used as a passport cover is a lot of the things that people love about the Agenda PM, which is the smallest size. So if you feel like this is too big for you, then I think you would like the Agenda PM. What I do like about this one is that it's bigger. So it's got a little slot right here where I can put a regular size pen. And then just the sheets of paper are bigger because I like to write lists. I like to budget. I like to just jot notes down. So I really wanted something bigger. So I am ordering some Amazon inserts for this. I will link these in the description box below. So yeah, that is my reveal. Ville, and I'm curious, do you all have any of the Louis Vuitton agendas? If so, what type of inserts do you use, or how is it set up? I'd be very, very curious to know. If you have any sellers that you recommend me check out, if there are any like stickers that you use or cute little pins, anything that I can use to dress this up, I would be very interested in that. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. I will go ahead and link some other videos for you to check out over here. Thanks again for checking out my channel. As always, remember to be good to yourself, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye guys.